In this video, we're going to take a look at how to change your password on Instagram. So the first thing we want to do in the bottom right hand corner is click on the icon which looks like a little person. Once we've done that, at the top of the page we want to click the three lines, and then at the bottom of the page we want to click on settings. On the settings page, we want to click on privacy and security, and then from there, halfway down, just below, we want to click on password. So what you would do is enter your current password, and then just below, you'd enter your new password, and then you'd re-enter it to confirm, and then click the tick in the top right hand corner, and that is how you change your password on Instagram. Like always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I create daily content, tutorials for you, and I will see you in the next one.